Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a mud water filter for green hell. Start by gathering clay-rich mud, fine sand, charcoal, and a sturdy container. Layer materials from coarse to fine with a cloth at the bottom to keep sand from escaping. Pack each layer evenly and test flow by pouring small amounts of dirty water. Adjust thickness for slower filtration and repeat until clearer water runs. Gather materials in a warm, conversational way so listeners feel confident preparing their filter. Find clay-rich mud because its tiny particles trap contaminants while sand and gravel provide structural support. Activated charcoal absorbs odors and some chemicals, improving taste. Use a tight weave cloth to prevent sand loss and a container large enough to hold multiple layers. Keep tools minimal to match in-game survival gear and ensure quick assembly. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful survival content. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is leak-proof, easy to grip, and perfect for carrying filtered water out of the jungle or around base camps. It fits cup holders and makes sipping while crafting much easier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow each step carefully and keep your tone friendly as you guide viewers through assembly. Start with the cloth, then gravel for drainage, charcoal for adsorption, and sand plus mud for fine filtration. Compress layers gently to avoid channeling and pour slowly to allow contact time. If flow is too fast, add more sand or mud. If too slow, reduce thickness slightly. Always finish by boiling filtered water for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.